Hello, this is one of the series of training videos on how to use the back office of Nature's Extract International. Today I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your package from the existing package to a higher package. Remember that in Nature's Extract International we have 5 packages. We have the basic, we have classic, we have business builder, we have pro, and we have elite package. So you can upgrade your account from basic to classic and to elite as the case may be, and the company allow you to upgrade bit by bit. So this video I'm going to be showing you how you can successfully upgrade your existing accounts by purchasing at least one product. So let's go there. I'll click on membership upgrade. Now when it opens up, you put the username of the person, and in this case I'm upgrading Nathaniel Wealth. So this person, ensure that the name is appropriate, then select the products here among the list of products. This person is purchasing Heba Flexi, IUB Flexi. So I'll go down and add it to cart. So you can see it has been successfully added to cart. It has 20 PV and it's 14,500. So I'll click on next page. When that opens up, I'll select the mode of payment and I'll click on upgrade. So sometimes because the network is not so strong, it may take a few minutes before the upgrade is successfully completed. So you have to wait patiently. The network is a little bit slow at the moment, and hopefully the upgrade will be completed as soon as possible. I also discovered that when doing this, it doesn't take very long for the purchase to be done. Even though it is still loading, but the purchase has been done already. So most times, if I can't wait to get the feedback that the upgrade is successful, I will just go and confirm by clicking these three short lines by the top left hand side. When I click that, I will just click on home to check the balance of the money left. If I do that, I will discover that this money, which is 29,000 in my transaction wallet, should have reduced to 14,500. So, but for the purpose of this video, I will wait a little and see whether the feedback of a successful upgrade will come up. Wow, here is the message: upgraded success.